There are many varieties of plants that brings good luck, wealth and prosperity according to Feng Shui. It is believed in Feng Shui that if you keep these plants in your home entrance or indoors, that you will get lot of good vibes to your home. Thanks for visiting Tamara's garden. Today the topic is Feng Shui plants. Feng Shui plants for wealth and abundance and prosperity. So watch until the end. In Feng Shui, snake plants are well-known good luck and prosperity plants. So this is one of the plants that you must have in your collection to bring wealth, prosperity and abundance. These plants are well-known air purifiers. Not only that, this green beauty is known in Feng Shui as a very lucky and prosperity plant. According to Feng Shui, golden pothos is one of the best plants that attracts wealth and prosperity. Keep it at your entrance or keep it in your home and keep it indoors for better results. You can use it as a tabletop or at the entrance plants, so this attracts a lot of good vibes to your home. This is one of the best plants that you can grow easily, and also this is said to bring wealth and prosperity to your home. Rubber plant. Rubber plant in Feng Shui is one of the best plants that attracts wealth, abundance and prosperity. It also purifies the air, so there are many benefits of keeping this beautiful rubber plant in your garden as your entrance plants or as welcoming plants, or else you can keep it indoors as an indoor plant. So this is another plant which attracts wealth and prosperity to your home according to Feng Shui. Lucky bamboo plant. Lucky bamboo known in Feng Shui as money and prosperity attracting plant. So these plants are very easy to grow by stems and they are said to bring a lot of happiness, wealth, prosperity to your home. These plants are best as indoor plants because they are permanent and also ornamental plants, and also these are good for entrance plants as well. So these are said to bring a lot of goodness, happiness and prosperity to your home. You can add these plants in your garden as Feng Shui plants to bring luck and prosperity. Peace lily plants. Peace lily plants in Feng Shui are said to bring wealth, prosperity and happiness. So these plants are mainly known for the good luck and prosperity. So in Feng Shui, peace lily also a lucky plant. So have this plant in your garden as a Feng Shui plant. In Feng Shui, jasmine are also said to bring good luck, wealth and prosperity to your home. We know this plant as a well fragrant plant and also one of the beautiful flowering plants. So I just add this also in my list of Feng Shui plants as money and wealth attracting plants. So have this also in your garden. In Feng Shui, it is believed such a good luck plant and a money and wealth attracting plant. ZZ plant. This is one of the best plants in Feng Shui to attract wealth and prosperity. This plant you can grow with a single leaf and they are beautiful green, said to bring prosperity to your home. Add this indoors or as your entrance plant, and this is said to bring a lot of good luck to your home. So ZZ plant is one of the Feng Shui plants that you must have in your home garden. Jade plant. Happiness plant is known to bring a lot of prosperity and wealth to your home. So these plants also are said to bring good luck to your home. So add this plant at the entrance or as an indoor plant to bring and attract wealth and prosperity. So in Feng Shui, it is said as wealth plant, money plant, also known as the happiness tree. So add these in your home garden. Aglaonema plants. They are also known in Feng Shui as good luck, prosperity and abundance plant. These plants are very easy to grow from bulbs and you can multiply them very easily. So this is another plant in Feng Shui as known as the wealth and attractive plants. So have them in your garden. There are many varieties of Syngonium plant which is known as of arrowhead or the syngonium plant, and there are many colors as well. So these plants are also well known money plants, money attracting plants in Feng Shui. So they are believed to bring a lot of good luck and good vibes to your home. So have these plants in your garden too. In Feng Shui, spider plants are also well known money and wealth, prosperity attracting plants, also believed in Feng Shui as lucky plants. So these are must have plants in your garden. You can put them indoors or else you can keep them outdoors. Wherever the place, they will attract a lot of wealth, prosperity and good luck to you.